So if you look down here, you should see templates right down here. But before we go into this section, we want to create a sidebar on the left side. So we want to create a side. And be a great tool is pull up Safari. Go on Google and Lorem Ipsum. This is just a great site to use when designing websites for just it's dummy text, placeholder text. So paragraph. We create 5 paragraphs. Probably just only need 1, just in case. So we on our side, we're gonna put this in. We're gonna close this text and p tags, paragraph tags, and I just saved. If you look, all this text is right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing that we did with the header and nav. So we'll create the A side. I'm going to create clear first. Clear both. Then float. Float left. And we want to create a height. I just created auto width. I'll give it a width of 350 pixels, and we'll close this off. Now we want to have our section div too, or our section cover too. So we'll float this left. We'll give it a height. Add auto to width, a width of 550. Curly bracket. Gonna save. I'll let you see now. You see how there's really a lot of padding going on. So to kind of give you a view of how it's looking, I'm going to add two paragraphs. Hit enter. I'm going to put these two in p tags. P's. Just saving is prompting me. So if you look, that the text went off the line. We want to do, get the P, we want to add new CSS rule to it. Let's just get less specific. We want to create a new style sheet. Okay. With this style sheet, it's gonna go to it's gonna go into templates. It's just gonna be out here. It's not gonna be in template. And I like to have all my text in a style sheet of its own, and that style sheet would be format. So CSS, and let's do a little. Let's give it a little padding on the left and right. So 5 pixels, 5 pixels. Hit apply. Okay. Gave it a width. We gave it a height of auto. Let's preview our site. So far, this is what we have. And if you're looking how all the home is a bit cluttered, what we'll do is we'll tackle the home. We'll tackle the nav bar in the next video. The last thing I want to do in creating the template before we move on is I want to create the footer. And so we'd have so you can have home, home, careers, FAQ, can't forget line break, and then we'll put copyright 2013, and we can put this in 2013, not 12. It's a P bracket of its own. So if we hit design, we have the footer floating left too. So what we want to do is want to go out back to our template style sheet, and we're going to write footer. We're going to clear it both. We're going to give our footer a height 50 pixels, sound about right. We're gonna give the footer also a width of the site too, which is 900 pixels. We're good to go. So if we go back to code and hit design, we save. We should see our home and careers right here. If we want, we can go back to template, and we can text align. Center. Everything's center now. So far you have created a template. In the next series of videos, we're going to add styling to this to make the site come more to life.